Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at jrdigital.com. Welcome to my PowerSuites review. Now, essentially, guys, this is an all-in-one social media marketing toolkit that can help you guys out grow your online business. Either you are a content creator, or you are an affiliate marketer, or you're a freelancer. This can help you guys out make more sales and make more money. All right. And the best part about this social media marketing toolkit, guys, is that this is a plug and play template. You don't need to use complicated softwares like Adobe softwares or any kind of video editing complicated softwares out there. Basically, use Microsoft PowerPoint, plug this in inside of Microsoft PowerPoint, and start customizing this template and start producing content in different kind of social media places. Or you can sell this to freelancing website like Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer.com. There are a lot of people in Fiverr, like this person right here. He's selling his PowerPoint presentation for $60. This person is $10. This person is $50, $20, $10, $50. There are a lot of people making a lot of money with this business, right? And you can do it too without the need of learning years, you know, mastering complicated software. So just basically drag and drop, elements inside of Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can customize the look and feel of your content or videos. Right now, let me show you what are the things that you'll be getting inside of PowerSuites. Right, module number one is this promotion video template. So you'll be getting this beautiful and brand new, fresh promotion video template right here. Let me play one of this right here. Alright, so that's one of the example of the template inside of this module number one, which is promotion video template. Module number two is social media ads animation template. So this can help you if you are a local business owner, or if you have a client, or if you are a consulting agency. This can help you guys out create, social media ads. So let me play one of this. Alright, so this is one of the example of that. So if you're selling something online, sell bags or whatever you sell online, you can easily create, social media ads using this template right here. Alright, module number three is animated YouTube Kids templates. Let me play one of this right here. So let's say this one. So basically, this is if you're running ads on YouTube. So basically, this can help you guys out create an animated video ads, right? So you'll be getting all of this template right here, and then next is you'll be getting access to animated presentation template. Let me play one of this right here. And you'll be getting access to this 4:3 ratio and then 16:9 ratio right here. Alright, and then module number five is business identity template. This is what I really like about this, because you can create a logo or a card animation. Let me play one of this right here. Alright, so that's the logo opener, like this one right here. This is a digital card. Alright, so that's basically a digital card, and then you'll be getting access as well to business cards. And so these are done for your template right here, and then this thank you cards right here. And then module number six is static presentation template. So these are the template that you'll be getting right here, and these are elegant and beautiful looking template, guys, that will really help you guys out. So next module is banner template. So these are the banner template right here, right? And you can easily edit this inside of PowerPoint. Right, so these are beautiful looking and elegant template and you'll be getting ton of this template right here, right? You can easily create and speed up your creation using this template. And then basically you'll be getting access to vertical banners. So these are the vertical banner templates right here. So this is a really beautiful looking template, guys. You don't need to have any kind of graphic design skills to create this beautiful looking templates right here. And the next module, guys, is Instagram element template. So these are the Instagram element templates. So you have this gradient colors, right? So you have this Insta frame. So these are the Insta frame, and then price tag and swipe up right here, and then viral video frame. So these are the beautiful looking frame that you can use, right? Next module, guys, is Facebook design template. So these are the sample of that template right here that you can post on the Facebook, right? So these are beautiful looking and elegant template, and also include a Facebook cover template. So these are the Facebook cover template that you can easily customize, right? And then module number 10 is poster template. So these are professional poster template right here that you can sell, right? You can also use this into your own business. All right, so those are all of the modules that you'll be getting if you decide to purchase PowerSuites. And if you decide to pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, I'm gonna throw in some extra bonuses that will really help you guys out. So these are my bonuses right here, and this can really help you guys out a lot. All right, my bonus number 1, I'm gonna give you access to 900,000 done for you video maker and graphic template. All right, so this is gonna help you guys out because you'll be getting access to 900,000, all right, done for you video maker and templates. And then bonus number 2 is 5 million premium stack footages, images, JFs, animation, stickers, and memes. Next one is Doodle Creator app. Next one is Canva Pro account. Next one is 22 promotional video. Next one is 10 square animation video. Next one is music spectrum bar animation. Next one is dark corpse template with PLR. Next one, guys, is 150 slides animation. Next one is 40 carousel design. Next one is 6 plot characters. Next one is 20 banner ads promo. Next one is 90 Canva feed templates. Next one is 200 plus deck Canva presentations. Next one is 1000. So basically, these are my bonuses if you purchase the front end. But if you purchase one of the upsells, you also gonna get access into this 1000 premium fund benefit. You're also gonna get access to premium royal background music. You're also gonna get access to premium. You're also gonna get access to 500 vintage photos. You're also gonna get access to premium logo templates. Next one is Kindle cover templates. Next one is 30 animation template with PLR. Next one is 10 vertical video with PLR. Next one is 100 plus pose animated characters. Next one is animated icon assets. Next one is whiteboard graphics. And then aerial 4K stack videos, 300 plus design pack, YouTube marketing mastery, 100 plus of video templates, 1000 mini sites graphics pack, vectors animals graphics, vectors badges, and instant content creator. This comes with master result rights. Next one is Google position checker. Again, master result rights is included. Next one is various graphics with MRR, or again master result rights. Next one is Instagram stories. And then the last one is 100 plus people transparent images. So those are all of my bonuses if you guys decide to pick this up through the link down in the description of this video. So if you click any of these buttons right here from my bonus page, guys, it will take you this results page. It looks something like this. The headline says, now you can create and sell high converting animated video and graphic design content in just a matter of minutes without the need of complicated softwares and additional plugin. Basically use only PowerPoint, right? And by the way, guys, there are some upsells. You can actually learn those upsells in my bonus page right here, but the front end is only $19 or $27. and the download is $19. OTO number one or upsell number one is the pro version of this, which you'll be able to unlock more 1,900 plus new template. And then the last upsell is the animation library pack, right, which is $57. Right, so those are all of the upsells. And if you have any more questions about this, guys, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all of your questions. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.